Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Koho, a new cashback credit card that's been getting a lot of attention lately. I've been using Koho for a few months now, and I'm really impressed with it, so I wanted to share my experience with you. What is Koho? Koho is a new cashback credit card that offers a variety of rewards and benefits. It's available in two different tiers, Koho Classic and Koho Premium. Koho Classic. Koho Classic is the basic tier of the card. It offers a 0.5% cashback rate on all purchases. You can also earn up to 1.5% cashback on certain categories, such as groceries, dining, and gas. Koho Premium. Koho Premium is the higher tier of the card. It offers a 1% cashback rate on all purchases. You can also earn up to 3% cashback on certain categories, such as groceries, dining, and gas. Other benefits of Koho. In addition to cashback, Koho also offers a number of other benefits, such as no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, early access to your paycheck, free overdrafts up to $500, 24/7 customer support. How to get a Koho card. If you're interested in getting a Koho card, you can apply online. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you're approved, you'll receive your card in the mail. My experience with Koho. I've been using Koho for a few months now, and I'm really happy with it. I've earned a lot of cashback, and I've found that the card is very easy to use. I also appreciate the fact that there are no annual fees or foreign transaction fees. I highly recommend Koho to anyone who is looking for a new cashback credit card. It's a great option for people who want to earn extra cashback on their everyday purchases. Here are a few additional tips for using Koho. Make sure to activate your card as soon as you receive it. Set up automatic payments for your bills. Use your Koho card for all of your purchases. Track your cashback earnings in the Koho app. Take advantage of Koho's promotional offers. Koho cashback rates. Now that we've covered the basics of Koho, let's talk about the cashback rates in more detail. Koho Classic. Koho Classic offers a 0.5% cashback rate on all purchases. This means that you'll earn 50 cents back for every $100 you spend. Koho Premium. Koho Premium offers a 1% cashback rate on all purchases. This means that you'll earn $1 back for every $100 you spend. Koho Bonus Categories. In addition to the base cashback rates, Koho also offers a number of bonus categories. These categories vary from month to month, but some of the most common categories include groceries, dining, gas, travel, coffee shops, clothing, electronics. You can earn up to 3% cashback on purchases made in these categories. How to maximize your cashback earnings. Here are a few tips for maximizing your cashback earnings with Koho. Use your Koho card for all of your purchases. Track your cashback earnings in the Koho app. Take advantage of Koho's promotional offers. Shop at stores that offer Koho cashback rewards. Use your Koho card to pay for recurring bills. Koho versus other cashback credit cards. Koho is a great option for people who are looking for a simple and easy-to-use cashback credit card. It offers a competitive cashback rate, and it has a number of other benefits, such as no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. Here are a few other cashback credit cards that you may want to consider. Chase Freedom Flex, Citi Double Cash, Discover It Cashback, Capital One Saver Cash. Each of these cards has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to compare them carefully before choosing one. Koho is a great cashback credit card that offers a variety of benefits. It's a good choice for people who are looking for a simple and easy-to-use card that offers competitive rewards. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.